Good evening, ladies and gentlefolks. This is Cece coming to you with a quick tutorial on how to navigate the DePop app. For those of you who don't know what the app is, it's pretty much an online thrift store where you can buy and sell different items. I've gotten a lot of cute clothes off of there myself. And if you haven't done so already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll be making multiple videos about apps and different features about them. But until then, let's get into the nitty-gritty of the DePop app and what to expect when you first open it. So when you open the app, the first thing you're going to see is the My DNA screen, and this is where you tailor your specific likes to the kind of clothes or shoes that you're looking for. So I suggest everybody go down to the Edit My DNA screen, and there you can pick the styles that you like. Me personally, I like all the ones that I have selected. I love 90s clothes. I'm a super 90s baby, but if you don't really necessarily like 90s clothes, you can just click that and pick something else depending on how you're feeling. But I like all three of these. So once you pick the ones you like, you'll save it. And you can also select the brands that you are really interested in. I picked Dolls Kill because I really love their clothes. But as you can see at the bottom, they have some that are already hand suggested. And there's a big name brands, but you can also do a search right here for any other brand that is not listed in that suggested box. And once you find the ones that you do like, you can hit save. And also at the very bottom of the screen, you'll see the sizes. And this is tailored to the region that you're in. So I'm in the US. So you can pick the sizes for the shoes, the top and the bottom. And once you do all that, it'll automatically save. And then the style suggestions will give you everything of what you're looking for. And you can scroll that way. Now, the next section I want to go to is the double take. So if you find something that you actually really do want to get, like this right here is super duper cute and it's actually sold out. I'm really sad about that. But if you are interested in something but not quite sure if you want to buy it right away, you can just hit the heart button and it'll go to this section right here, where you can look at it again. It's kind of like a reminder, like, hey, do you still want me? If you do, like, get me while you can. And if it's a favorite of yours, you can always put it right here in the My Save section. So the next section I want to get into is the Explore page, where it's a little bit different from the My DNA section because it gives you a vast variety of all the different styles of clothing right there on the front. So if you scroll over, you'll see sunglasses, hats, shoes. It's all different, from vintage to streetwear to sportswear and everything like that. And then the other nice thing about the DePop app is not only tailored to buy clothes and shoes, you can also buy other things like art supplies, beauty, sports equipment, transportation. So we'll go to the books and magazines section, and there you can see all different kinds of books. So if you have a specific book you've been looking for, you'll be surprised that like you may be able to find it right on this app. So this is a really cool feature about the DePop app. And then the last section is the feed, and this is where you can just get a little bit of a bigger view of the selections of things that you are interested in buying. So it'll show the user's information, where they're located right there, and then this item in particular is a pair of shorts, and it'll give you what type of shorts they are, the description, the size, the price, and the brand sometimes. And if you're interested in it but don't want to buy it right away, you can hit the heart button, and then that'll pop up back in your My DNA and your likes, which will be right here. But if you are interested in buying it right away because you can't wait, you can hit the buy button. It'll get added to your bag, and you'll hit checkout and fill out all your information. So that's just a quick little tutorial about how to buy things and search for different items on Depop. So this was just a quick little tutorial on how to navigate the app when you first open it, and how to filter the app so it gives you suggestions that you like, and how to actually buy the items. In part 2, I'll be talking about how you can sell your items and the process to actually sell them and ship them out. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be putting the link to my second channel in the description below. Otherwise, have a great day and be on the lookout for the next video. Good night.